grocery.
S&R.
S&R.
Now he's thinking about me and my old.
Where's my Americano?
Bombastic side eye.
Which are big.
We're going on. Huh? Oh my.
Hi guys, may Americano dito.
Bombastic side eye.
Brother, what you guys talking about?
A puffer fish? What's your reaction when you see a puffer fish? What's your reaction when you see a puffer fish? What do you see a puffer fish?
Bruh.
2 hours later.
Ulit na naman. Oh! Ice cream!
Part 2.
Part 2 na ni. So many ice cream. Oh my god.
Nutella! Say hi to Nutella.
Hello. 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 Hello.